Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade in home. Squeeze 3 fresh lemons, dissolve 1/2 cup sugar in 1 cup warm water, then mix with 4 cups cold water and ice. Taste and adjust sweetness with more sugar or a splash of lemon juice. Serve in a pitcher with slices and mint if desired, and enjoy a bright, simple beverage that refreshes on any afternoon. Gather 3 lemons, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 cup warm water, and 4 cups cold water ready. Roll lemons to loosen juice and have a citrus juicer or fork handy. Warm the 1 cup water to dissolve sugar quickly and ensure a smooth syrup. Keep ice and a pitcher nearby so you can combine everything right away. This setup avoids extra stirring and gives consistent flavor each time you make lemonade. If you are finding this helpful, please hit subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes and cookbooks anywhere, whether on the porch or in the kitchen, and it makes following steps simple and glare-free. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if interested, and now let's get back to the video. Start by rolling 3 lemons firmly on the counter, then cut and juice until you have about 1 cup of juice. In a small cup, mix 1/2 cup sugar with 1 cup warm water until fully dissolved to make simple syrup. Pour syrup and lemon juice into a pitcher, add 4 cups cold water, stir, then taste and adjust sweetness or tartness if needed. Serve over ice with a lemon slice for garnish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.